Alright, hello everyone. So before we start this part, actually, I wanted to fix some stuff that happened in the last part that I don't really like. So in the last part we made these like blank images to go over the bottles to basically not make them show, and I just think that is very dumb. And I want to change that. So instead of just having a blank image, it's going to be the actual bottle. I'm going to put an image of the bottle and just put it 9 times onto the screen, so there actually won't be any background. So then if I don't need that bottle, I'll just make it invisible. It's much more easier to understand, much more simple. I don't know why I didn't do this in the starting. So I'm going to do it right now in this short time lapse. Alright, we changed up these numbers, and let's see if that helps it at all. Start. Yeah, look at that. You can't even see that there's a background beneath. Alright. Now to just make it work with the clicking and stuff, because I don't think it's going to work yet. So let me just fix up some stuff and we can continue. Oh no. I forgot about this. Even when it's transparent, because it's not taking... Oh no, this is not good. Alright. So I did my best, and like it's much better than what we did before. You can still like kind of visibly see that there's like a background image, but you know, I prefer this method better than the one before. Continuing on. Alrighty, Roo. So let's see if everything works as I want it to work. Yeah, there we go. We have only that up, and I can, you know, switch places, make them all go here. Right. So put that there, and you beat level 1. Great. All right. So the game works, and we changed it to bottles. The only thing that's kind of weird is just how the design shows the bottles. You can see here that there's a bit of an outline because this isn't a background. It's an image, so we can't really do fit to image. Maybe there is. You know what? Let me check real quick on the internet if there is, and I'll come back. Alright, this is the moment of truth. Does what I did work? Here we go. Oh my god. You can't even tell that it's different. This is insane. For every single one, I put an image. Background image, and it's insane. Alright, so what is next? Now we can actually start doing, continuing with the project, because what we did now was just improve it slightly. That's all we did. We just improved it slightly. For the last, how much? 45 minutes of recording, but this is probably like 2 minutes in the video because everything's gonna be time-lapsed. It's basically all we did. Alright, let me open up the Trello, see what we got. So start in the level select screen, lock level, spawn level, buttons. Alright, yeah, okay, so we have to do the level select screen. Alright. Oh yeah, before we actually continue, there's one more thing I wanted to do with what we have right now. Just to make sure that everything works also with a back color. If we look here, there's the back color that I didn't even add yet. So I just want to make sure that even if I add a back color, it doesn't change anything in the code. So let me quickly get this color and add it in. Get the color. There's our color. Paste the numbers we got in. Let me just make sure. Let me do this. Boom. Start. Yep, doesn't change anything. Great. Alright, level select screen. So in here we see we go to the level select screen. Green, and then the dark green text over all the buttons. We'll have these 10 things, and they'll have a lock image, I guess. Alright, let's get started with putting these buttons all over the place. Great. Let's see if it works well. Huh. Oh, this is the problem. I minus, again with the I minus 5. It's always not correct. It's not I minus 5. I meant I divide by 5. I think. Sorry, not I. Again, not that. This. Let's see if that works. Yep. There we go. One small change fixed everything. Let me just decrease the font a bit, because it's taking out the 10. Alright, there we go. That's pretty good. Let's just change the numbers a little bit more. I see that it's not really in the center, and I don't like that. Like, you can really see it. This one you can click, this one you cannot click. Right. Okay. So this is not it though for the video. No. Alright, if we go to our Trello, starting the screen is now done. We can move that to there. Lock level once uncompleted level before. I haven't done that. And we have to spawn level, so there's some stuff I want to do first. Let's start with the most obvious. Let's just load the level. When we press level 1, I want it to load the level. So what I thought about doing is having a level class. And in this class has 3 attributes. We have the color, the background that we want in the level, the amount of colors we have in that level, and we have a string array of all the balls, of how basically we want the board to look. And then we take that string and we can put it onto the board and onto the array. So let me create this class. All it's doing is just holding this information, and we can easily take it out. This is all I want to do. It's just an easy way to store levels. Right, now we go back to the form and we make this level thingy. So here's what I'm going to do. In the beginning here, I'm going to add a level array. Level array of levels. We're going to call it levels. And it's new level. And we'll have 10 levels. That's how big we want it. That's how we can declare this. Now, when we start the game, this is where we'll put all our levels in. Levels in 0, which is our first level basically. We'll put that in here. Instead of starting, we're declaring level 1 equals a new level, and here's what it's going to get. The back color that we want is this. Send in that. The amount of colors is 1, you can see from here. And now our string. First of all, as you can see, it does no problems. So basically that works. But now what our string is basically, if we look at our image again, just to explain really how this goes. Do it from here. So we only have these. So the cubes that are here, and the 4 down here are all zeros basically. That's how we describe zeros. In orange, its color is 1. We declared the colors of everything up here. See, orange is in the first position in the array. So the first cube is 0, 0, 0, 0. Next one is 0, 1, 1, 1, right? Then 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 0, 0, 0, 1. And then 0, 0, 0, 0. That was the first 5. Now we just need all the other 4s are zeros. So we have 4 more that are all 4, so it's 16 zeros now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the level. That's how we declare it. It's basically an ID number for a level. That's so insane. How about just white? Or black? Okay, black is in the mist. But I think we don't even need to write it then, because I think black is the official one. Yeah. Okay. What are we doing now? Right. Levels. Right, so when we click on a level, that's basically it. Oh my god, there's no way this works first try, right? There's no way. Alright, I'm scared. We're actually gonna attempt to run the code. Here we go. Start. And level 1. Okay. Okay, so there's some stuff that didn't work. You know, oh, you guys can't even see, sorry. So this is what happened. So it did it correctly. Look, 3 oranges here and the 1 orange here, but they put these reds in. Now I can't help but wonder that these are the reds that are on top here, that are visible in the beginning. Huh. You see, so the board doesn't know it's there, but it shows on the screen for some reason. I'm gonna search the code to see where I was wrong. Maybe it's just an equals, it's not really. Oh my, okay, wait. I think I might have found it. Here, I put 2, you know, like instead of, I put this thing, instead of maybe this, just 1. I think that might actually cause the problem. We didn't do this. Yep. That was the whole problem. We just did that thing instead of not. Okay, but it works. Our game actually works. What the most thing I wanted to do in the game was to have a good level loader, and it looks like it's working perfectly. See that? This little thing literally does everything. So basically, this means that adding more levels is going to be very simple. But I think this video is long enough. I don't really know how long it will be, you know, because I do time lapses and stuff, but it feels like this is a good point to stop. The next thing we have to do is, instead of that little message that pops up when we finish it, we want to have, I'll show you in the Trello. I'll just put that spawn level, because we got that to work. We have a little pop-up message that says, great job, you beat level 1 or level 2 or whatever or level you finished, and you'll have 2 buttons, or go home or to the next level. We also have to add a reset button in the middle of the game, like if we want to press reset, it will revert to the starting position of that level. And we have to lock the level until complete. So like basically, if we go back, the next level will be open for us. So that's basically what we're doing in the next part, and I'll see you later.